Will McCauley with cEntellect. This is our weekly proprietary research report review. This week we're talking about a subject that actually transcends both the oil and the natural gas markets. So we wanted to talk a little bit about the size and the scale of those markets. Sometimes the numbers that we talk about, people don't necessarily appreciate how big they are. So we have a little trivia game and visualization exercise to hopefully help people understand how large these markets truly are. So first, we want to talk about world crude production. And in all of these examples and all the questions that are coming, we're taking the entire world or the entire United States annual production and sticking it into a cube. Now the question is, once you put that into a cube, what is the length of each side of the cube? So again, annual world oil production, what is the length of the side of each cube? Is it 1.1 miles? Is it 3.1 miles? Or is it 5.1 miles? And just a little hint, the world produces roughly 99 million barrels of oil per day. Okay, so if you have your answer there, we're going to go to the next question, which is same concept, the United States annual oil production. What size is the cube that it fits into? Is it half a mile on each side? Is it 2.5 miles on each side? Or is it 4.5 miles on each side? And again, a little bit of a hint, the US produces 10.9 to 11 million barrels of crude oil every single day. Okay, hopefully you have those two answers written down. So if we go to the next slide, you'll see the answer is A in both instances. So world crude production fits into a cube that is 1.1 miles by 1.1 miles by 1.1 miles. Similarly, United States production fits in a half a mile cube. This is probably smaller than most of you guessed. If you got it right, congratulations, but most of you probably guessed a much larger size. Next, we're going to go on to the natural gas markets. Again, same concept, world natural gas annual production and United States annual natural gas production. So for the world, do you think it fits in a cube of 1.1 miles, 5.4 miles, or 9.6 miles? And again, for another little hint, world production is around 357 BCF per day. Okay, and then finally on to the United States annual natural gas production. Do you believe it fits into a cube that is 0.5 miles, 3.3 miles, or 6 miles? And again, one more final hint, the US produces around 85.5 BCF per day of natural gas. If you go to the next, you'll see that the answer is C in both cases, 9.6 miles by 9.6 miles by 9.6 miles for world annual natural gas production, and 6 miles by 6 miles by 6 miles for the United States annual production. Again, this is significantly bigger than probably most people guessed, and significantly bigger from a volumetric perspective than both world and United States oil production. For more information and detail on this, please visit us at cEntellect.com.